Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back, and today we'll be discussing our first DEX. If I could only find it, damn, we're already in episode 23. That's crazy. I hope you guys are enjoying, watching and listening to these videos as much as I like making them. Thank you for all your support. Please remember to keep liking, commenting, and subscribing. Without further ado, let's discuss Uniswap. It is the first DEX that we're going to be reviewing. It's at a $3.7 billion in market cap. No max supply. Total supply is 1 billion. Good volume here as well. It is down 86% from its all-time high, and from the all-time low is up 1,000%. Let's see, it's up 473% all time, and in the past year, it's here and there. It's just 4% up. If didn't go down, so from the start of the year, it's actually down. So we don't like to see that. Like I said, all these crypto coins in a bull run should be up huge amounts, and if they're not, then it's cause for concern. I will say though, Uniswap, I'm not really as concerned, and I'll tell you why. Because I really do believe in DEXs. So a DEX is a decentralized exchange, and we'll go over that in quite a bit. But before that, I want to talk about the token unlocks and the locked and the kind of allocation. So the last unlock for this is gonna be in August 15th. So we'll see how that affects. But after that, there's not gonna be any tokens left to kind of sell, and I think this, huge. This is gonna be huge for Uniswap. Because there's not going to be any more sellers and people don't have to worry about that. So what is Uniswap? Uniswap is a popular decentralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized finance tokens. An example of an automated market maker, Uniswap launched in November 2018 but has gained considerable popularity this year thanks to the DeFi phenomenon and associated surge in token trading. Uniswap aims to keep token trading automated and completely open to anyone who holds tokens while improving the efficiency of trading versus that of traditional exchanges. Uniswap creates more efficiency by solving liquidity issues with automated solutions, avoiding the problem with plagues the first decentralized exchanges. Also, they have like a Uniswap V1, V2, V3, which we'll get into that a little bit later. We can see the addresses by holding and the whales holding, which is quite a lot, I will say. Usually is more whales from all the tokens we've seen, so that's pretty good. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let me see something here. So yeah, here, Uniswap V2 launched on November. It introduced new features like your C20, price oracles, flash swaps, and more. The latest version, Uniswap V3, launched on mainnet 2021. It features greater capital efficiency for liquidity providers, better execution for traders, and enhanced infrastructure. So yeah, there's that. Let's go into the holders. I found something really funny. But yeah, let's get into that later. So Uniswap is 38%. It holds majority of the coins. 39. So they hold over 40% of the coins, and then a lot of exchanges hold all the other coins. What I found funny and hilarious is, obviously Uniswap is the one that holds the most, But then everyone has like kind of 2%, 1%, 1%. So when I go here on cards, we discussed that earlier with uh, who was it that we discussed it with? I forgot already. Oh, Caspa. Sorry about that. I see that the centralization score is 41%, and I just started cracking up. I couldn't wait to tell you guys. Anyways, I still need to read this and kind of like understand it and see what this all is, but the fact that they're not decentralized is just like hilarious to me, and I guess you see, like I don't understand what the hell this circle does if I can move it around. But anyways, there's that. So it is not decentralized, even though it's a DEX, but they hold majority of the coins. So I really don't think. Well, at least I don't hope. They sell off. Obviously, they kind of have to sell off if they want to do like more ventures and invest in the protocol. Blah 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 blah. So let's see. But they hold about $2 billion, and it's at a $3 billion in market cap, almost four. I was about to say 4 billion, but they hold here. So they hold about $2.4 billion around there, I think. I don't know if they can sell or not. I really don't know, but yeah, let's keep going. I like that they update this quite a bit. Uh, they also acquired a crypto. The game has interactive on-chain survival game, so they up this quite a bit. And here's kind of their page. Not really much on their page. This is pretty cool. I don't know, September. This is kind of old, so we'll look over new numbers. But in the last 2 years, the protocol has reported over 20 billion in volume, trail over 250,000 unique addresses, which is a lot more now. Secure over 1 billion liquidity, deposited over 49,000 unique liquidity providers, earning 56 million in fees in the process. So remember this number. Remember that number. Total value logged here right now is decreasing. It's about $2.9 billion, and the volume move is just like immense. In the past month, it's $41 billion, and these are all the tokens that you could swap. There's so many. Total value locked here. The fees that they've collected in the past 30 days is 52 million. So remember that they said that in the process. So in the last 2 years, they raised 56 million in fees. In the past month, they almost raised as much as that. So kind of a big thing of DEXs and really applications in general. I forgot who said it. I don't know if it was Jack Dorsey or whoever may have said it, but oops, sorry about that. I don't know if you guys could hear that. I'm outside. But I don't know who said it, but they said that companies now are gonna have 10 employees, maybe, or 5 employees, or maybe 1 employee, and they're gonna make billions and billions of dollars. So you are seeing it right now. I can't find how much they did in revenue, but we'll get into that. They have addresses 8,000, which is not that much. I would hope that the number is a little bit more, but they're still doing a lot in numbers. They just released their financials, their Q2 2024 financials. They have $36 million assets on hand. They announced that they're gonna do more in grants. The grant community commitments are here. and you know everything else is here. This is crazy. Almost 50% went into payroll. I have applied to work at Uniswap countless and countless of times, and they've keep saying no. I must still try, but yeah. So if anyone at Uniswap is working, hit my lineup, please. Nah, it's a great company. I have nothing bad to say about them. So yeah, that's about it. It's a quick video. I'm really bullish on DEXs. I think, you know, DEXs and centralized exchanges are really needed. Do I think Uniswap is gonna go back to its all-time high of 42? Personally, I don't think so. Let me see. The market cap was 12 billion. Personally, I don't think so. The reason is Uniswap is tied to Ethereum and it has really high fees. I used to use Uniswap a lot, but now I don't use it anymore because it's just really expensive fees, and it's not their fault. It's Ethereum's fault for being slow and expensive. One day I was trying to do a transaction, it was like $100, and it's just the future is DEXs, but I don't know if the future DEX is going to be Uniswap. I do believe that there's going to be a lot of different DEXs, and there's going to be a fight for who is who, but I just don't think I personally don't think it's going to be Uniswap. That doesn't mean it's not going to go up. I do think it's going to go up. It'll probably go back up to, you know, maybe 30. It could even go up to 40 if they do everything right and people start adopting DEXs. Because, like, this number should be way more up. Like, it should not be 8,000. Like, for the amount that they do, it should be, you know, at least 50, in my opinion. Like, they should have more, like, wallets. I wish I could see. This only counts interact with the protocol. Blah 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 blah. So maybe there are more wallets. You know, 90,000 transactions. I wish I could see active addresses. Let's see. So get rid of this. I don't know whether there's a time skip here, but you see, like, it has to come back up at least to 50,000. Like 10,000, 6,000, like, that's not good in my opinion. Like, new addresses is like so low. So I don't know. I hope it raises. Let's see how much they did in revenue. Fees. I don't know why the revenue doesn't show. I wish I could see it, but I think that's about it. Like I said, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.